My name is Saf. I've been with AW Repair Centre since 2016. I'm training to be a VDA here. I was at college for 3 years, did IT networking. I was able to bring my IT skills into the vehicle trade because all vehicles nowadays are very high tech. I started as a MET tech, just doing basic strip and fit, all like the diagnostic side of things, the pre-checks on them. So I've learned in detail all the suspension checks, what you need to do. I started off with my VDA training at Nottingham at the Central Damage Unit, and then from there on I've been getting help from Neil. He showed me what panels you can repair, what panel will need replacing because it's too far gone, and what kind of quality customers will be expecting. I would obviously like to stay doing VDAing because it looks like a very good opportunity going forward in future. I mean, one day I could take on my own side and progress on because they are after your well-being. They would like to push you a little bit more forward and just give you that extra little help wherever needed.